Hello and welcome to STEM with the Houston Public Library. I'm Miss Jolie and today we are going to be mixing oil and water. This activity is intended for all ages and you will need a white casserole dish, cooking oil, liquid food coloring, a whisk, and a broken egg yolk. Alright, so here's our science question today. Can oil and water mix? Alright, so most of us know that oil and water don't mix, but when you put them in the right company, they can actually be combined. So the first step of our experiment is going to be to put oil into our casserole dish. You're going to want a nice good layer all the way across the bottom. And then we're going to take our food coloring and we're just going to put some drops of that in there. Food coloring is made mostly of water, so we're going to use this because it's got color and it's going to let us see what's going on. Alright, move this up. Now you'll notice that the food coloring is just hanging out in globs, and when I take the whisk, right, and I go through it, they remain in blobs. They break apart into smaller blobs, but they don't actually mix in. The oil is still the same color. That's because the water in the food coloring is hydrophilic, which means it likes itself and it combines very, very easily with itself and with other hydrophilic liquids. However, oil is hydrophobic, which means that the molecules repel the water. All right, so just left alone, they don't mix. The water molecules will begin to try and come back close together and separate out from the oil. But if we mix in the right friend, right, the egg yolk, we're going to see something very interesting happen. We add the egg yolk and we begin stirring again. Now we're going to very slowly get a cloudy mixture, but that food coloring is going to actually start mixing in and hanging out with the oil instead of separating back out from it. This is because the egg contains a fatty substance, and that fatty substance acts as an emulsifier. All right, and the emulsifier allows two liquids that would normally not be able to mix together to actually mix together. And so there we go. We have mixed oil and water. Thank you so much for joining us today at STEM with the Houston Public Library. We really hope you have fun with this experiment. Make sure that you share your photos of your activity online and tag us in it at #ILoveHPL, and be sure to follow us on social media. We hope to see you guys next time. Bye!